We live in Winter Vacation 21, baby.
Let's go. What is going on, Dank fam? We are out here at winter vacation. It's been a crappy week for myself. Betty White has gotten all rebuilt, but she's having a little bit of issues with like a bad ground blowing main fuses.
Flashback.
Damn, I think I killed my main fuse. I got no lights, no nothing.
End of flashback.
But we got the 2021 finally all built. You guys seen the build video. Thing came along so nicely. It's wet out, raining today, so she's gonna get a little dirty, but this is the first test ride finally, and we got a ton of riders out here throwing it down. So we had a cop roll through before everybody got fully set up, and my buddy Roland said that we're cool to be here. Apparently we have permission, and they haven't given us any issues. What up, bro? Got the Zoom out here. Shooter on a scooter. First shakedown, baby. Dirt birds.
I don't wanna get close. I haven't been the same since I loved that hoe. I haven't been the same since I lost my bro. I say I'm gonna change when I know I won't. I get high, I love to smoke. She gon' lie like I'm a joke. You wanna take flights across the globe. Remember those times, no horoscope. Life goes on, I can't take breaks. I need faith, no, I need faith. In my mind, I can't escape. I climb these heights like I'm a king. Shine so.
What up, bro?
I saw it.
Hey, you got any more hoodies?
Yeah, over there at that purple tent. Purple tent, man. Yeah, there's 20. What's that?
I said, you know I follow the channel, everybody does.
Thanks, man. It feels good to actually ride it good, too. It's my first day riding it, so I'm still getting used to it. It had like 0 miles this morning. Nice meeting you, my guy. Gonna get to it. We got the Cynical booth all set up. We got the bikes. Roland's out here from Chicago. Tons of people. Go what?
Going to Wall Street, 9:30, 10 o'clock.
What?
Wall Street Plaza. It's like the place with all the bars we went last year.
Oh, 9, 10 o'clock?
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, bro. I was in with you.
When he was stuck, I was still filming you.
Wow.
Yeah, you see how?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, I got it. Still filming. Killed it with the drone pilot. Alright, bro. Y'all be safe. Hey, what's up? Oh, y'all see you tomorrow?
All right, bro. See you tomorrow.
Good seeing you guys.
2 hours later.
It's wild, man. After party is wild. That was it. Man, police in here quick. Welcome to winter vacation. Damn. You don't want to take anyone to jail.
Look at, he's big man.
Oh, he's big man. The police can't kick us out. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Winter vacation 2021, people. Sunday stunt day, the last day out here in Orlando with everybody from out of town. My bike's still broken. Lewis's bike's still broken. We're just not having a good dinosaur day. But I told him if he can't get his fix, he can try to fix mine and we might be able to ride some way or another. I haven't been vlogging much this week. I haven't really been riding much this week. It's been a lot of fine tuning on the bikes and everything else. This bike rides absolutely phenomenal. Straight line's a little weird since the tire is still a little janky, but circle in and everything else. Brakes feel great, suspension, everything. Like, this bike feels way nicer than my last bike, and it's the first time riding it. So big thanks to Roland for getting this bike all set up and built for me in 3 freaking days. That's unreal. This thing is so sick. So first I want to say I want to dedicate this video to AJ the Plug. He lost his life the other night riding out to one of the meetup spots for one of the rides. He wasn't doing anything stupid. Basically, he was riding to the meetup spot for the ride, and there was a car accident on the other side of the road. The cars crossed the lanes and oncoming, and when the cars crossed the oncoming, he ended up hitting the car and passing away. So it's really sad, and my thoughts and prayers go out to his friends and family. Definitely a really bad way to go out. Today is dedicated to you, AJ. I do want to say big thanks to Orlando Alliance for hosting this. We got Nasty Nate, Jarvis Stunts, Mad Mike on a bike, Duarte. Everybody's holding down the lot, making sure it's solid. Super nice. But other than that, we're gonna get to riding, people. I'm really hyped with how this bike turned out. What up, my guy? Can I buy some gas off you? Yeah. Alright, got that jam playing right now. Thank you.
Nope.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
I was trying to pull out. I was in too deep. How did I not scratch it? Wow. Impact Tech for the win. That did its damn job. When you stalled on my bike, you scratched the side of it. All down here. Yeah, when you stalled right here, it scratched all that. I was like, what? Yeah. Or that.
Every time you wreck into me, I figure I'm wrecking into you.
You know, they say you're already fucked up. You're trying to go for more.
I like the new build, man.
Appreciate it. Trying to keep her nice.
The color's not like,
yeah, subtle but nice, you know. So we're back. One of the local buddies from Pasco area went down. He got hit by a dirt bike just sitting still. So we had to carry him into the back of a truck. Got a nice hole in his leg. Never had the chopper at the lot before. It's pretty epic.
I don't wanna get close. I haven't been the same